If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the Chappan Bhog series of Chef Lal's Kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Vallabha Mua. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 1 cup of fried paddy or liya, 2 tablespoons of coconut chunks, then take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. A quarter cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee and a pinch of salt. Now in a pan, add the ghee followed by all the sugar, water, powder and salt, and bring this to boil first. Now boil the syrup for roughly about 3-4 minutes, so we will be left with only sugar and no water. So at this stage, add the coconut and all the fried paddy and quickly coat them really well and switch off the flame. Now let it cool down for just a couple of minutes, not more than that. So while the syrup is still warm, you need to make the laddu or mua. So for that, take a small portion like this and tightly squeeze it to shape like a ball, just like this. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Vallabha Mua. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.